Hello, Mr. Kirk Franklin.
Yes.
Okay, it's an honor to have you. I'm Karl. I work for Alleluia FM. Thank you for this opportunity for the interview.
Uh, Thank you.
Okay. As you may know now, you are very loved in Haiti, and people are looking forward to have you here for the concert. So my first question will be, what?
I,
Hello?
yeah.
Yes, you can hear me. So my first question will be, what does it say to you to come to Haiti for your first concert?
Well, I was very excited to be invited to Haiti, and I waited a long time to come. And I'm very glad that I was finally invited, and I'm looking forward to just doing all the music, to just celebrating with the people, and just encourage them, to remind them of just God's love for their lives, and God's love for the cares for them. And I'm very excited to have that opportunity.
Thank you. So we share the same expectations. So my second question will be, you are one of the most prolific gospel artists in the world. I bet it will be difficult to build a playlist. How did you do? What will you be singing? Do you know yet?
I'm going to be doing all the music I can. I'm going to do as many songs as I can before they kick me off stage.
So I'm saying it because it's like 2 decades of songs. So it's many songs and that are very popular still here.
Yes, sir. Well, I'm going to try to do all of them.
Oh, very good, very good. Okay, and here in Haiti, we love gospel music since we discovered it, and we have many choirs here. You will have the chance to see one or two of them as they will share the stage with you. And for many of these choirs, your work with the family in unison stand as what they relate to as the reference. Do you have any word of encouragement maybe for these choirs?
Well, just to make sure that you are living the life that you're singing about.
Yeah.
You know, that you are trying very hard to live the life and make sure that how you live, it's even more important to you than how you sing.
Yes. Thank you for these words. The day of the concert will mark for sure, the seventh anniversary of the earthquake in Haiti. Let me take this opportunity to thank you in the name of the Haitian people for the initiative of Are You Listening, the song that you produce with many of the great voices in the gospel music. I would like to ask why did you come up with that? And 7 years later, what will be your message for the Haitian people?
The same message that I would try to have every day of my life. That God's sovereign and that God is in control, and He's in control of every part of our lives.
Mm-hmm.
And that He's sovereign, and in His sovereignty, that everything works for our good because He loves us.
Good. Okay, this one question is from one of my, I asked you on my page some questions, and this one popped up. It's from a very well-known secular Haitian musician who is also a fan of yours. He asked you, Kirk Franklin could be up there with any of today's pop stars. Why did you choose to do Christian songs rather than choose the path of the pop superstardom? You got it.
Well, it had to do with my love for God. It's because I really developed a love for the Lord, and that's what really moved me, and that's what I'm called to do. That's my calling in life. And because that's what I'm called to do, and that's what I'm called to do, then I don't really feel my purpose in my life to do anything else like that.
Okay. I will see these other questions. I will stop at this one. In your career, has it been a time where you shared the stage with Asian artists, or have you already discovered Asian music? If so, what is your opinion about Asian gospel, Asian music? You haven't?
No, I haven't had a chance. I haven't had a chance to hear or discover. So I am excited about coming to Haiti and having the opportunity of hearing and listening to music.
Yeah. Well, we have plenty of time, I hope, to discover music of food, our son, and the passion of this crowd worshiping with the Lord and having this experience with you on January 12th. And it will be a blessing, I hope. And for myself also, and I can't wait to meet you in person. And a last word for your friends, for your many, many fans listening to Hallelujah FM.
And I want them to know how excited I am about coming. And I can't wait to come, and I can't wait for them to see me and for me to have the chance to see them. I am very, very excited. And I cannot wait. I'm very humbled and thankful that you would invite me to your wonderful country.
We are the one who are honored, Mr. Kirk Franklin, and we are looking forward to seeing you in person and share this blessed moment with you. Thank you again for this opportunity of this interview.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Franklin.
Okay.
See you soon.